Now let us see the next compound called calcium carbonate or lime. This calcium carbonate can be prepared by several methods. The most easiest ones are by treating carbon dioxide with the quicklime. It leads to the formation of calcium carbonate, or by reacting calcium chloride with sodium carbonate, which leads to the formation of calcium carbonate and NaCl. So this is how it can easily be prepared. It's a white colored fluffy solid and it is at around say 1200 Kelvin or around 1000 degrees Celsius. When heated, it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It's a very important compound in the sense that it liberates CO2 when reacted with mineral acids. Like if we treat this with HCl, it forms calcium chloride, water and CO2. Similarly, when this calcium carbonate, this is CaCO3, and treated with sulfuric acid, it leads to the formation of calcium sulfate, H2O and CO2. Now, what most important, other thing now, its important uses. It is used as a flux in the metallurgical processes. It is used in the as a filler in cosmetics. It is used in chewing gums. It is used in making the building material, main construction material, and it is used as an antacid also because of its nature to neutralize the acid, specifically HCl. And also it is used in the paper industry to make it much brighter. The paper is much brighter and white. Now, so that is why these are the general uses of this compound. As such, we know that lime is a very important compound. In the form of marble, it is used in the construction for construction purposes.